Hello everyone! For today's video is we're going to LA and it's a connecting flight from Dublin to London to LA. So right now we are here in Burger King. We're quite hungry, so we're going to have our breakfast here. I will keep you updated.
Oh, buddies! My new buddies!
While waiting for a gate to open, so this is the waiting lounge and we are just chilling and waiting, and it's quite spacious.
Ang ginawa. Kaya taas kayo ko ano, pa-check-in pa. Magsigit tagbay.
Gusto ko man naman ito vlog. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Wash out. Wash out. Shut down. Wash out, shut down. What can you say?
Holiday. Beef loaf day.
Let's go to the airplane.
You excited?
Thanks a million.
Have a good trip.
Thank you.
No problem.
Are you ready?
The room's off the plane? No!
After an hour flight from Dublin, we safely arrived in Heathrow. So this is their airport and we're chilling and window shopping while waiting for our next flight.
There's Harry Potter in Universal.
While waiting for our boarding gate to open, Sophia got hungry, so I have to get some snacks for her in her little luggage. This is a 10-hour flight, so this is from Heathrow to LA. See you there!
Hello, welcome today.
Hello, I'm back and we just arrived in Los Angeles. So we are here in the shuttle of Alamo Car Rental. So we're going to collect the van. Finally, we arrived in our hotel. But I'm still in the van, so we're getting off. Come on, Sophia.
Hello, we're in a holiday hotel. And I'll see the coordinates. Bye bye.